My name is Raul Amavizca, and this is the peer-graded assignment for course number 2 in the machine learning program. Let me, in a formal introduction to the program, let me mention that the inculcation of a culture of innovation within a company has been the subject of many studies. That companies are interested in this subject matter to spark the development of new products seems a reasonable assumption. The problem identified for this assignment is the aim to determine whether the level of resilience and the level of demand uncertainty can predict the level of innovation in a company. This is important as without understanding this dynamic of the relationships among these three factors, it is unknown what impact a R&D budget will have on innovation. The data shall use proven tools to survey product managers throughout industries. All three variables identified will contain data from one 3-part survey scored with a 5 or 7 point Likert scale. Determining the validity of the data is proportional to the level of validation the instruments to collect the data have been taken through. The instruments to be used are proven instruments that should yield accurate data, output metrics. To validate the outcome, the data will be collected continuously as the original sample is relatively small. As out of 20,000 surveys, it is expected to get 200 responses in the first round. This will serve as a validation with new data to be used for training and eventually pre- and post-deployment validation. The model will advance from heuristic to multilinear regression. The heuristic calculation will use partial Pearson correlation. Since we are dealing with surveys scored with the Likert scale and the questionnaire is lengthy, the interest displayed by participants may decline as they get deeper into the questionnaire, potentially yielding less accurate data toward the end of the survey form.